so many moments at Anga where you can actually feel that youth are really spearheading development across the globe. And I think a big part of it is really seeing what can we do intergenerationally. We had a very wonderful session where we connected with leaders across various organizations. And we can truly see the gap that exists between older generations and younger generations. And I think it was a very beautiful demonstration on how can we work together to really make something happen.
More than 60% of my population is consistent of youth, and our participation here at Anga is one of the only ways to represent that population and invite youth to be part of the decision-making process and policy creation. So Anga experience is definitely one of the most unique opportunities to be part of that change and to represent the Saudi youth.
If I could summarize the voice of youth at Anga in 3 words, it would be advocacy, leadership, and globalization. I'm meeting a lot of people from different backgrounds and different experiences.
I am very excited for tomorrow. I have been preparing a speech alongside with Misk, been getting their input. The team has been amazing and great with helping me to prepare for this opportunity. I am really appreciative of what Misk has done, honestly, for this, to provide me with this opportunity.